Hi guys, this is Priyanka Kenny here and welcome back to the Kenny's Kitchen. Okay, so let me start with the question. Are you a bitter gourd lover or by any chance do you like Karela? If not, then you must try out this recipe. Okay, so today we are making Karela cutlets, and if you're a Karela hater then you must definitely try out this recipe. Watch the video till the end and do try it by yourself. Okay, so without much delay, let's start with the recipe. Firstly, I have taken in 5 medium sized bitter gourd. Wash it well and then just simply grate it. Likewise, I am grating all the 5 bitter gourds. Okay, so after grating, you get that lighter greener shade middle part. Okay, that is of no use for now, so we will throw it off. Okay, so we are taking just the outer dark green part. Okay, since we are in the process of grating the bitter gourd, I would like to tell you guys, like, if you love the video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you try out this recipe, then please do mention in the comment section below how did you find that recipe. Okay, so let's proceed with the process. Okay, so now our bitter gourd is grated very well. Okay, now let's add in 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. This process is done to get rid of all the bitterness. Once you have mixed the salt very well, then keep the mixture aside for about 10 minutes. Okay, so to avoid the confusion, there will be 3 washing steps included in washing of bitter gourd. Okay, to get rid of little bitterness. First is washing of the salt water. Second is washing with the normal water, and then again cooking it and then squeezing off all the water. So now we are taking in 1 whole cabbage. Okay, we are slicing it into half, but for the recipe we are just using the half part of the cabbage. We will then grate it and then we will wash it. Okay, so I know this is a bit tedious process, but I know it is worth it. Like, if you do not like Karela, and since it has many useful properties and you need to consume it for once a while, then you can try out this recipe for sure. So now our cabbage has been grated very well. Okay, now we will wash it twice and then we will squeeze off all the water. Okay, so try to squeeze off as much water as you can, because we do not want water content in cutlet making procedure. Okay, so let's keep this cabbage aside and move on to our Karela part. Okay, we will be now washing off that salt water. Firstly, squeeze off all the salt water and then wash it with the normal water, and then again squeeze it by to remove all the water content. Okay, so once you are done with the two process, then take this Karela part into one vessel and just boil it into water. So once the Karela has been cooked in hot water, then remove off the water and squeeze off all the water content from the Karela. So once we are done with grating, washing and draining process, finally we are starting with the preparation of bitter gourd cutlets. Firstly, in a vessel take in the grated cabbage and grated bitter gourd. Now to the mixture add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. So now to bind all the ingredients well, we are adding in besan, that is a gram flour. I am adding in 5 big spoon of besan, which is approximately around 5 cups, small cups of gram flour. Also to have that nice khatas, we are adding in some tamarind water. Okay, so next is to add the salt as per taste. We have added in almost 1 tablespoon of salt. Now mix all the ingredients very well, most preferably with your hands, because it will help bind all the ingredients very well, and we can make it into a dough. Okay, so we have added in around 1 big spoon of rice atta also to give that nice crispiness and crunch to the cutlets. Now again mix it all well and prepare it into a dough. Now here we are adding in some amount of jaggery. This is completely optional. If you want that sweetness, then you can add little bit of jaggery. So now we are done with the preparation part of our cutlet. We will now move on to make our crispy cutlets. Okay, so in a pan, heat up some oil, then fry in our cutlet, which are coated with some rava and rice atta mixture. Fry it till it has that golden brown texture. So once you have fried the cutlet on both the sides, now the cutlets are ready to be eaten. Okay, so our cutlets are almost ready. Have this amazingly delicious cutlets with tomato ketchup, or you can just have it plain. Okay, so for those who do not love to have Karela at all, try out this recipe. You will definitely love it. Also, I would love to hear from you guys. How was your experience with this recipe? If you love the recipe, please do consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more such new recipe videos. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you all in the next recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.